Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about what Teams is and how to use it. If you haven't installed Teams yet, please watch the Teams installation video on just how to do that. Now, Teams is designed to bring together many functions of Office 365, things like chat, scheduling meetings, and sharing files all into one application to make it much simpler and quicker to collaborate with others. For instance, instead of emailing one a separate copy of a file or sending them a link, you can share it here and you can work on it together here. Also, instead of creating an email chain in Outlook that can become decidedly messy, difficult to search, discussions about a project can be made here, which are more easily searched and make it much quicker to bring up a new person up to speed. So let's take a look at the sidebar here in Teams and go over some of its primary functions. And if you have Teams up, you'll see these. Number one, you have activity. Activity shows you everything that's been happening while you're away. Chats, phone calls, documents shared, things that have been happening in meetings. Then you have chat, and that is exactly what you think it is. If you've been using Skype for Business, you can replace it with Teams. In here, you can chat with an individual or create a group chat and invite other users. Now, Teams shows you what teams you are a member of. Now, teams can be created for different purposes. You can create one to collaborate on specific projects, or you can create one for your department in general. If you want to create a team, you just come down to the bottom, join or create a team. Click create a team. You're generally going to build a team from scratch. You can choose private or public and give your team a name. And it's created. And once you've created a team, you can start inviting people to it. Once you create a team and once you add someone to it, they will be notified that they've been made a member of this team within their program as well. Now, once you create a team, for instance, we have this company-wide team here that was already created, Panther Residential Management. You can create channels underneath that team for specific departments or projects that you are working on. For instance, here we have information technology. Under this, I could post documents, announcements, things that the whole company would need to know about relating to IT and make it easier to contact everyone. The next feature of Teams is very handy. In here, you can begin a audio or a video call. Here at the bottom, if you click this video icon, which says Meet Now, you can create a meeting. We'll call it a test meeting. You can, before you start the meeting, you can turn off or on your camera. Or if you don't want to meet immediately, you want to schedule this meeting for later, click Schedule a Meeting. I'm going to click Meet Now. And once the meeting is started, there's no one in there right away. So you can start inviting people. You click on Ask to Join. If they have Teams running, they'll get an invitation and they can join via video or voice only. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, once in the meeting, you'll be able to start talking. You'll be able to see anything if they have their video shared. Another thing you'll be able to do here is share your screen. So you'll see the open share tray. Clicking that, you'll be able to share your entire desktop, or you can just share one window, which is probably what you'll want to be doing. So I'm going to do that on the other screen. And now you can see what's being shared on another user's screen. Another thing you can do now is also click Request Control. The user will get a pop-up asking if they want to allow you to control their screen. And once you do that, then you're able to go on to their screen and make changes and click on things if you need to. And you click End Meeting to finish that. Now, meetings in the sidebar here makes it simple to schedule meetings with other members of your teams. But these meetings won't just appear here, they'll also appear in everyone's Outlook calendars to make it handy to see that. Calls is also what you would think it would be. You can call other users via Teams. However, once a call is established, you can change it to a video call and do screen sharing just like we demonstrated in the meetings as well. Finally, we have Files. Files gives you access to all your personal files, such as your local downloads, your OneNote notebooks, and your private files on OneDrive, all to make it easy to share with other users within Teams. So please start looking around and using Teams. I'm sure you're going to find it very useful, and this will be something very helpful to work with the rest of the company. Thank you.